Hello, DJ Robot here, and sorry for late. Some other things I was in the video, and the thing now, since I watched the E3 trailer, even though it's supposed to be the gameplay that I heard. Anyway, this will be the sword sword. Anyway, the E3 trailer, I've seen some PlayStation. Some of them I like. Some of them, sorry. Some of them is interesting. Some of them I'm not sure. I mean, all the trailer good, but they did not show the gameplay. Although I think they kind of wish they did the gameplay. But even on Nintendo, they do something. Like they only bring. Well, I will tell you the detail. It's Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, Super Mario Party. I don't know why they call it that. I'm not sure if it's the name, but look, I see all the trailer. They look good. The graphics look good. It's like the story, but I'm just gonna wait until they review, because if I buy it, then I don't know. Sometimes even though it's the so like 6 to 10, maybe I'll buy it because it's not just whether it's story or not. It's the character I wanted to play or something. But I should be thinking more about the gameplay and the story, and maybe a multiplayer because, well, I get what they're saying and they do have a good point. I shouldn't underestimate it. Anyway, I'm changing the Hollow Guy, this is interesting. They changed into a reboot, Hollow Guy into Fork. There's a difference. Yeah, in the reboot, they Hollow Guy into a Fork. Not the robot. I kinda like the robot Hollow Guy. Anyway, yeah, all E3 Pokemon, let's go. Pikachu, let's go. Eevee. Yeah, you see what happened that I kinda did messed up. Yeah, all the video you watch me gameplay, finish. Anyway, I will talk about Nintendo E3. They did announce, which I can't believe I will, actually no, not like this, the other video, because right now, I kind of want to talk about the character that I talked about the other video, the previous video, part 18. So I thought that there was a name that you never heard of it. I think his name was
Takamaru.
Takamaru. I'll let you in the video below, description below this video. A missing action character that's interesting that maybe we might put this guy in the Super Smash Bros. Brawl because he was the first game and he wasn't part of the franchise or any. Well, I think he is, but he kind of wishes to more a spotlight, more characters meet the eye. Anyway, I'll let you know. Hello. Now they did show the Sonic Team Racing trailer, which it might be good idea, the Team Racing style or whatever, even though it kind of looks, well, it looks similar to Mario Kart, but it's a different one, which, like I said, I'll wait until they review, and if it's good, maybe I'll buy it. If it's not, well, what's the point? Anyway, there are two views. I'm pretty sure you already see, but I'll let you know the two, like they're confirmed in some reaction gameplay footage. But yeah, I'll let you in the description below, and you'll see. Now, I wish I would say Super Smash Bros., but I'll tell you the other video.
Make sure
Now, I will tell you the trailer, and I think they did show a gameplay, which maybe I'll show you the description below, if you're interested. Now, Jump Force, this is interesting. Like, there was another game called Jump Versus, and the next one will be Jump Force. The next one will be Jump Force. It's really hard to say that word. Well, it's not hard. It's kind of difficult. I wouldn't say hard, but anyway, it's interesting that I think it looked like a similar gameplay that Jump versus, but now I don't know. The graphic looks different, and I don't know if they'll make a story or whatever. But like I said, we'll see. I'll see to it in the review. Excited. I know I'm supposed to be excited, but I can't be that excited because even though I did say, what the what? What the heck? The heck, you know, it's heck. You get it what I'm saying? Heck. It's sort of like a hacking or whatever. But anyway, yeah, it's interesting for me because they did some they did some amazing trailer, which they didn't show in the gameplay. Some of them they did, but maybe I'll wait until the review. I mean, look, I feel like I'm kind of a bit of a dumb. I'm a dumb guy, and I can't, like, I wanted to be sure all the trailer they show in E3, and look, there was a video I watched, and you might be listening to what he said. Trust me, whether or not, he make a good point about the gameplay thing. Anyway, I'll list this below. That's all for today. Seriously, that's it. I will talk about in the next video. Okay. Anyway, this music is interesting. I think it's a part of the inside of the machine, whatever the battery they call it. I kinda like it. Again, I forgot the description below about the music, the song. Anyway, this part, the part where Clank said "Mom," which is kind of interesting, but I'm pretty sure you know. And the Clank and Ratchet like, "Oh, brother," I think that's what he said. I can't exactly remember. Anyway, it's kind of a little funny, but I wouldn't say that, but you'll see. Anyway, I'm probably looking for bolts, gold bolts. You'll see. I'll probably look everywhere, but you can skip the video. I mean, yeah, you can skip the video. Like if you want to get a little bit close, I probably might find something. Yeah, I would say PlayStation. Yeah, the Nintendo I'll talk about in the next video. So yeah, I would say something about for the PlayStation. Yeah, for now I will talk about PlayStation, which is interesting that well, both PlayStation and Xbox, because Final Fantasy 14 Monster Hunter World Collab. Sorry, I'm not sure I'm reading right, but you'll see in the trailer. Interesting that monster comes to the Final Fantasy world, and the Final Fantasy creature come from... No, that's not it. I mean, the monster will enter the Final Fantasy world. The Final Fantasy monster will enter the Monster Hunter world. This will be interesting. I hope it will be good, because the Monster Hunter have been rated well. You'll see in the review as I put in the description below. Because you're gonna love it. Wait, did I say that? Sorry, I don't know why I said you love it, but you know. And yeah, the cutscene, but I will keep talking.
Mom?
But it probably will be almost, but I might have a little bit of time.
I tried, Mom.
But I don't think I got nothing outside.
I know.
Oh, maybe I will say this. Kingdom Hearts. Okay.
Look, a sister.
Yeah, you know what? No, I will say in the next video.
My fellow
Like
Blah,
I said,
our synthetic world
I
is
don't
now
want to talk
fully functional and ready for habitation. However, there is one small obstacle in
Honest.
our way. This pathetic lump of a planet. due to some blunder
Yeah,
of fate, it happens to occupy the galaxy's
yeah,
most
this part.
perfect orbit. But no more. Behold, the Deplanetizer!
That one is
powerful
interesting.
laser
Like,
ever
this one destroyed the planet, but it's different from the reboot. Yeah, you know, I don't know, it's bigger than this one. No, seriously, I think in the reboot Ratchet and Clank, it's bigger like a ship, bigger than this
See you
one.
then.
You know, the classic one. Oh,
Ratchet, are you all right?
oh, yeah,
He
that part.
is going to pay.
Excuse me?
It shouldn't have taken me this long to see it. Drek is going to find out what happens when you mess with my home. What are you smiling at?
This is the Ratchet I always knew was there.
Okay, if we're gonna do this, we need to get on to Drek's
Yep,
ship.
to the ship.
Then we can find out where he set up that laser.
Hopefully,
I will try
well,
to make
you
you
don't know
proud,
how this is
Mom.
going out, but anyway, yeah, that's all for today. Hope to see you next time. And yeah, bye.